In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the 1Password Chrome extension. This is a powerful tool for managing your passwords and keeping your online accounts secure. And today I'm going to walk you through setting it up step by step to ensure you can start using it effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the 1Password website. This is where everything begins and from where you'll initiate the download of the Chrome extension. Once you're there, look for the option that says Get Started Free. Clicking on this will allow you to explore the features of 1Password without any initial commitment, which is perfect if you're new to this platform. Next, you'll be presented with a few different subscription plans. For this tutorial, we're going to choose the Try Free for 14 days option. This is a great way to test out the service to see if it fits your needs before deciding to subscribe. Now that you've selected your trial, a new page will open prompting you to add the extension to Chrome. Look for the button that says Add Extension and click on it. This will initiate the download and installation process for the Chrome extension. Once you've clicked that, the Chrome Web Store page should automatically load, showcasing the 1Password extension, complete with reviews and additional information. At this point, look for a blue button that says Add to Chrome and click it. A new window will pop up asking you to confirm this addition to your browser. Adding an extension means you'll be granting it certain permissions, so it's always a good idea to review these permissions before proceeding. Click Add Extension in this window to complete the installation. After a few moments, the 1Password extension will be added to Chrome. You should notice a new icon appearing in the top right corner of your browser, indicating that the extension is successfully installed and ready to use. Finally, to maximize the functionality of 1Password, it's a good idea to pin the extension to your browser bar for easy access. Simply click on the puzzle piece icon next to your extensions, and then on the pin icon next to 1Password. This ensures you can use it quickly and without hassle whenever you need to log in somewhere or save a password. Now, you're all set. With the 1Password Chrome extension up and running, managing your passwords has never been easier or more secure. Thanks for joining me today and happy browsing.